In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Webflow CMS. If you're looking to design a sleek, custom blog that's as unique as your brand, you've come to the right place. In 5 short minutes, we'll walk through the basic steps of setting up your blog using Webflow's intuitive visual platform. First things first, let's start by heading over to Webflow's website. Just type in webflow.com into your browser. Webflow is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to create beautiful, responsive websites without needing to dive into the complexities of coding. This makes it perfect for bloggers, entrepreneurs, and creatives who want to focus more on content and less on the technicalities. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the login button at the top right. If you already have an account, click on Login. If you're new to Webflow, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, the process is straightforward with guided steps to help you get started quickly. After logging in, you should be directed to your Webflow dashboard. Here in the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on any project where you want to add your blog, or if you're starting fresh, you can create a new project. Once inside your project, you'll see a variety of tools and options to begin customizing your website. Next, find and click on the CMS button. This is the hub for managing all your content. Think of it as the heartbeat of your blog, where you'll organize and control your posts, collections, and more. Now that you're in the CMS, you want to look out for the Create New Collection button. This will allow you to design a custom set of content types, fields, and entries which form the backbone of how your blog posts will be structured. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Creating a blog post collection. Here, you will be prompted with several options and templates. For starting your blogging journey, click on Blog Post. This template is specifically tailored for writing, publishing, and managing blog posts with ease. And there you have it, your first blog collection ready to rock and roll. Congratulations! You've just taken the first steps in creating a blog using Webflow CMS. With the blog post collection, you can now start adding your content, flex your creative muscles with the design, and personalize until it truly represents your vision. Just rinse and repeat by adding new posts as needed, each featuring unique content that speaks to your audience. Remember, Webflow is all about giving you powerful design flexibility combined with robust CMS functionality. So, experiment, explore, and don't hesitate to make it your own. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging!